This is the Sofabaton X2 Universal Remote Control. In this video, I'm gonna unbox it to show you what comes in its box. I'm gonna also tell you what are the upgrades that the X2 model has over the older X1S model, and I'm gonna tell you about its strengths and weaknesses. So let's start first by unboxing it. Let's open the box and see what comes in its box. This is the remote control. I'm gonna make a full review about it later on. If you wanna check out the full review, you can look at the link in the description and in the comments. So this is the hub, and this is the charging station. This is an infrared blaster in case you need it. And this is another also infrared blaster that has two heads, two USB-A to USB-C cables, and this is a pin. Comes also with two power adapters. And this is everything you get in the box. So for the changes, they are not all upgrades. There are a couple of things that are better on the X1S. So first of all, the hubs are almost the same, so I'm gonna remove them. The first thing that you can see in front of you is the construction of the X2. So it is made of metal, and then it has textured plastic here, whereas the X1S is all made of plastic. The second thing is the thickness of these remote controls. So the X2 is 10 millimeters thick when the X1S is 15 millimeters thick. And also the X2 has touch controls, and also it has physical controls when the X1S has only physical controls. And the touch controls are much more intuitive than the physical controls of the X1S. What's also obvious is the screen of the X2 that is now in color, and it is very nice when the screen of the X1S is monochrome. The X2 has one functionality that is lacking in the X1S, and it is the sleep timer for an activity, so it will turn off the activity automatically. This is not existent in the X1S. And also the X2 comes with this charging dock to keep it charged. When the X1S, you have to plug it only with USB-C. Of course, the X2 also, you can charge it with the USB-C port. Now, the two things that are better in the X1S is first the battery life. It is estimated at 45 days when the battery life of the X2 is estimated at 30 days. But because it has this charging dock, you put it each night in the charging dock, so it will be always charged. And the second thing is that the X1S is only 123 grams when the X2 is 181 grams. For the accessories, both of them come with infrared blasters, but the X2 has on top of that this infrared repeater that you can purchase as part of a package. Now, overall, I found that the Universal X2 remote control is very good. It has an excellent build quality. It is versatile with all the protocols it supports: infrared, Bluetooth, wireless, and radio frequency. It is easy to set up, and also it comes with this charging dock. Now, its weaknesses is that it doesn't have voice control, and you have to swipe the activity to start it. I would have liked it only maybe to tap it or to press a button to start it, and it is a bit expensive, but you can offset its price with a coupon code that I'm gonna leave in the description. And if you make a purchase using the coupon code and my link in the description, I'm gonna gain small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I wanna thank you all for watching.